Hello, y'all. This is Renwick with Achievement Resources, developing people, growing companies. Just want to share a random thought because of some recent experiences. There are a couple of leaders out there who know what I'm going to talk about. That is setting the example. Um, if you're talking to your people and you have expectations of them, that's good. If you have best practices and standards of performance and protocols, that's good. If you teach them what they are and you have some measures and or metrics that you use to assess to what extent they're following those best practices and protocols, that too is good. But what's ultimately most good, if we would say that, is how are you behaving? Are you establishing the reason for them to model and mimic what you're doing? Not what you're saying, not what you're asking them to do, but what you're actually doing. How promptly are you answering the telephone when it rings? How promptly are you returning emails when you receive them? Are you demonstrating the kind of character and integrity that earns you the trust from your people when you ask them or suggest they do something? Here's the question for you. When you receive a phone call, how are you answering it? Are you polite? Are you courteous? Or are you irritated? Is it an interruption? When you receive an email, are you dismissive of it? And is it lingering in your email box for 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 10 days before you return the message, at a minimum before you acknowledge having received it? Those are just a couple of ways in which I've seen leaders stumble and lose the confidence and trust of their people, and therefore cause an organization or department or group to underperform its potential. You are missing business when your people are not following you because they don't see you modeling the behaviors you'd have them execute. So click on the button below, reach out to me, let's stay connected. I'll be sending you this kind of content and sharing with you best practices and principles for you to improve your conduct, your performance, and your communication. For now, ciao.